competitors. The ratio of new competitors in the industry is greater than the ratio of existing competitors in industry. So to compete with these competitors, we need to talk about our promotions, quality, and all the stuff that we are doing. We have to give our 100% to the buyers and in the industry. The second one is bargaining power of buyer. When the competition is intense and the number of manufacturers is greater than the buyer have more options of product for switching overall, these increasing and buying powers of buyer. Like if buyers are trying to reduce the amount that we are charging, it's a great difficulty for us. So we need to overcome this by adjusting a similar price that our buyer can afford, and a quality price that matters the most. The threats of substitutes, as obvious from them, there are greater threats of new competitors will result in the greater and higher competition that in turn will result in increasing the number of substitutes. Like if we are using our phone, we can use it. Like if we are using our phone, we can also use tab, we can also use computer, and we can also switch to different companies. Like if I am using Vivo, I can switch to Oppo and all these Android stuff. But the main example here is iPhone. Like iPhone is doing their work, doing his stuff. Like we are not comparing iPhone with Android. Here is the greatest company that is known as Apple, who is trying to compete here competitors. Like there is no competitors in market with iPhone because they have maintained their quality, they have maintained their promotion, and they have created the hype for their product in the market. And the bargaining power of supplier. Like the greater number of supplier will provide the stronger buying power to the manufacturer customer, and the vice versa. The information technology and revolution. The information age is particularly advanced, and the internet is having a major impact on one direction of market science and practice. Digitalization is the convenience and the flow of the digital information requires the convenience and internals, externals, and the internet key drives to the new economy. Technology for connecting the major force behind the new contents is technology, information technology, as well as merging all of these